Is a round face finally coming to the Apple Watch 9 in 2023? Well, reporters come in telling us if this is going to be the case or not. I also want to give you all the details about this and also all the details about the Apple Watch 9 release date and price with specs too. Anyway, as 6 months have gone by since the launch of the Apple Watch 8, SE2 and also the Apple Watch Ultra, it is time to, excuse the pun, to start talking about the Apple Watch Series 9. So for everyone who watches my videos, or even if you are new here, in these videos I'm going to give you the latest details or specific leaks and reports, then details of the planned release date and time, then a summary of the models, what are going to be released with all their features that we've learnt in previous leaks. After this I'm going to reveal my wish list for the next Apple Watch. Also put in the comments below of what features you would like to see in the next Apple Watch 2, as I would love to see them. So let's talk about where we are right now. With the Series 8, it was a bit of a mild update over the Series 7 in design, and just 2 new capabilities of thermometer that can be used for women's monthly cycles, tracking, and also car crash detection. For the Watch 9, changes that we want might be finally happening. So a new report has come in, and to be fair, it's not really talking too much about the 9th generation or the Apple Watch Series 9. It looks like Apple are actually putting all of their efforts into the Series 10 or the Series X to celebrate the anniversary of the Apple Watch that originally came out in 2014. So this is the celebration in 2024. Why this is so important, as it looks like that the Apple Watch 9 could be put back on the shelf for any major updates. So I'm talking about a new design or extra new features to come in 2023. The other possibilities is that the Apple Watch Series 9 might not even come out in 2023, and Apple may surprise us in 2024 in the early part of the year to show us the anniversary edition of the Series 10 and completely skip out the Series 9 altogether. Remember, Apple have done this in the past, and that's why we never actually got an iPhone 9. As I've said already, we still do have around about 6 months until the time when Apple normally do their Apple Watch refresh in September time, so we could still see more updates indicate that Apple are going to be bringing out a Series Watch 9 later on this year. Also, if you wanted to know more about the Apple Watch Ultra 2, then do check out my other videos about this watch on my channel, as I've talked about this a little bit more further. This also leads me on nicely to say that all reports and leaks are not 100% proof that they will come true with the new Apple Watch 9. I can only present to you what I've been told and shown. However, if you're watching this video still, then you're curious as I am in knowing what is being said about the next Apple Watch anyway. So moving on, let's talk about the release date. So for the release date, it looks like that the plans for the Apple Watch 9 might be a bit different this year. In past years, Apple has announced the Apple Watch alongside the iPhone, with 2 devices available for purchase around the same time. Again, this happened with the iPhone 14, where we had an event for this mainly solely around this device, but we also got the brand new Apple Watch Series 8, the SE2, and also that brand new Apple Watch Ultra. But for the Series 9 release date, well, as mentioned before, if we do get a Series 9 in 2023, we're looking towards the iPhone 15's announcement as inspiration, as most links have dropped out when the iPhone 15 will be available. Apple tend to do an event for the iPhone 15 on the nearest Tuesday to the middle of the September month. So right now in September, the middle kind of Tuesday is September the 12th. However, Apple sometimes also do their events a week before or a week after this date. So it's possible that we could actually see the event on September the 5th or even September 19th too. After this, Apple normally actually launch the product into our hands around about 7 to 10 days later. So based on this time, we're expecting for the Apple Watch Series 9 to have a very similar release date if it comes in 2023.